Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm so excited to add to my purple theme garden. Now it's fall, it's time to plant bulbs, so I have some huge bulbs. These are flowering alliums or flowering onions, and they are rodent resistant. I'm going to plant these in with my purple heuchera. This whole bed is this purple heuchera. It's a perennial. It comes back year after year. It keeps these leaves most of the winter even. But to fit big bulbs in a perennial bed with a lot of stuff, since the heuchera are shallow rooted, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop these heucheras out of the ground. They're going to be okay, don't worry about it. And then I have lots of room to put this great big allium bulb in, because it needs to go 7 inches down. So I have this nifty trowel with the markings on it. That's 6 inches. So I'm going to make sure it's got to go down nice and deep. So that would be hard to do with the allium, with these heucheras there. So by putting it down underneath, it will right itself and come up through the heucheras. Since I have a hole dug, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple angelique tulips. Angelique tulips are kind of a soft pink. They got to go down 5 inches. And they are also a great color family to go in with my purple kind of pinky theme garden. And when you're planting bulbs, the fat bottoms go down first, the tippy tops point up. Okay, got like a little collection of these going here. Cover them up. Now I'm going to put these heuchera back. Now I'm going to go ahead and snap them apart, because heuchera do better when you divide them every few years. So I pull them apart now. Set them back into the soil. They are really tough plants, the heucheras are, so I can divide them up and put them in. We live in a mild winter area of the Pacific Northwest, so I can do this division of heucheras in the spring and the fall. Heucheras are so tough, you can divide them even in the summertime. Okay, so there I go. I've got my bulbs buried deep. I've got my heucheras, my foliage, which are foliage perennials. Remember, they come back year after year on top. And in the spring, I'm going to have purple alliums. I'm going to have these beautiful double flowering pink angelique tulips, and all covered with the deep purple foliage of the heuchera's purple palace. So I'm Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.